Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to install this Drosbey dimmable LED flush light. So here's everything that comes in the box. So we're going to unscrew these right here, all three of those. Okay, so now let's take the cover off. The ring comes off. And then this is like a plastic enclosure. So it does come with two machine screws and washers and some wire splices. Okay, so here's what the inside of the light looks like. These are a bunch of little LEDs. We can change the color of what these LEDs look like. We can go to 4,000, 3,000, or 5,000. So you're going to mount this directly to the ceiling. Here's the back of it. The wires come out here. You've got a white one, the hot wire, the black one, and a green wire, which is the ground wire. So it does say voltage 100 volts, 120 volts, 36 watts. Quick measurements overall, it's right around 13 inches. So the shortest holes are right at 2 3/4. These holes right here are at 3 5/8. Then you've got some adjustable holes right here. So about 3 3/4 all the way down to 2 1/2. And then there is just a little bit of a lip, about a 1/2 inch of a lip. Okay, so here I've got a light that takes 3 bulbs. I'm going to take it out and put the new one in and see if it's any brighter. So I got the circuit breaker pulled, and we're going to unscrew those 2 Phillips screws right there in the middle. Okay, so get your circuit tester, make sure it's dead. Check your circuit tester first. Okay, so it's working. Now when I go up here, I'm going to check the hot wire and the neutral wire, nothing. Okay, so they're dead. The 2 screws that came with them, I got them screwed into there. That way it'll help me put the light fixture up. Now I'm going to connect the wires. The wires are tucked up in there. Now I'm going to line up the screws and install it. Okay, so I lined up those screws. They will come through the big opening, turn it a little bit, and now they're caught right there. Now I'm going to tighten those down. I'm not going to tighten those super tight though. Okay, so there I tightened them down. I just made sure it doesn't rotate anymore. You could damage that if you tighten those down too tight. Okay, so let's turn power on. Oh yeah, that's very bright. That was 3,000. So 3,000 is in the middle. Let's go to 4,000. Yeah, it seems a little brighter. That's a nice, even white light. Let's go ahead and try it all the way over. Okay, so this is 5,000. Yeah, that's a really bright white. I think the other way, the middle one might be the brightest because it's got all the LED lights lit. Here's the middle, or no, let's go back. Yeah, let's go to 4,000. Yeah, that's the brightest. All the LED lights are lit up, super bright. Let's put the cover on now. It does stick down from the ceiling right at 2 1/2. Okay, so that's got to be one of the easiest lights I've ever installed. Putting the cover on was super easy. I do think it's brighter than those 3 old bulbs I had. I'm just very happy with this light. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.